Yes, now I have beef. So we cut them whatever you like. You can cut slice, you can cut piece. So I will show you how to cut it. Let's go see together. Yes, now I cut the piece already. I slide down like this, so I cut like that because it's like easy to eat. Let's go. Lần sạch cô nhóm bạn hiệp trong hai ấy. Yes, it's piece cut already. I have garlic and my spices. I use like fish sauce, a little bit fish sauce. Oyster, this one soy sauce, a little bit soy sauce, and I use oyster sauce. First thing we start, we need to put some olive oil to start to fry it. Vegetable I prepare already too. I have lettuce, I have cucumber, I have carrot, and then we're going to fry beef. After that we put on the top. I start to put garlic. Okay. So I need to fry garlic. And put meat. Medium raw, or you like overcooked, whatever you like, the favorite. That is they call lork. In Cambodia they call lork là sao nhỉ? Lork là. So we start to put spices, put a little bit soy sauce. Put a little bit of oyster sauce. Put a little bit of fish sauce. And we put a little bit of a little bit of chicken powder.